It seems as guys, they aren't joking around or playing anymore, because this is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Justin Bloomberg says this is the start of a fresh crypto supercycle that will push Bitcoin above $500,000. Okay, now everyone is just mind blown, right? And everyone believes this will not happen. I found something very interesting. Down in the comments below, look what people are saying. Translation: looking for extra liquidity. Everyone at Hopium battle stations launched the FOMO. Here's a narrative, right? People are laughing, lure the newbies in, looking for exit liquidity as usual. So that's the main consensus under this tweet, guys. Now, I'm not saying Bitcoin is heading to $500,000. That's not what I'm saying. I don't even believe it'll reach there, at least in this bull run. But what I am saying, guys, this isn't financial advice, but what I'm saying is to be more open-minded, right? If we believe something is not going to occur, what if it does? Usually the opposite always occurs of the mainstream, or of the consensus, right, of what everyone thinks. So usually everyone gets wrong-footed. So listen to this. What if perhaps we pump, right, until the recession hits in 2024? Everything plummets in price, right? People are now scared. Everyone's selling. So imagine like a repeat of the 2020 thing, right? Imagine the stock market crash, and the crypto price plummet, which minus like 50% in a blink of an eye, right, in a day. But what happens if the Fed turns on the money printer again, right, and injects liquidity like never before, guys, because they have to save the markets. If they don't, it's going to collapse in the year 2024, right? And they want to kick the can down the road. What's going to happen at that point in time, right? Inflation skyrockets back up. Everyone's now investing because they want to hedge against inflation, and then all these crypto prices and stocks are skyrocketing like never before, guys, right? Bitcoin 6 figures, Ethereum over 10K, XRP double digits. I don't know, guys. Maybe we should be more open-minded, right? Not financial advice, but I'm looking at any type of scenario, guys. But in this article, they say, the quote, "Those kinds of comments show just how quickly sentiment can change for this asset class," end quote. Again, everything can change in the blink of an eye, guys, right? Interesting. But check this out, though. This guy is accumulating Bitcoin like there's no tomorrow, right? So someone's buying so much Bitcoin, guys. Holdings now approach $1.5 billion USD, right? Maybe perhaps they're seeding, guys, right? Preparing for the ETFs to go live in January. Now I hope they delay it, though, right? If they could delay it, that would be the best option. Why? Because this is what I want them to do, guys. I want them to delay the ETFs, and then I want the ETFs to go live just around the same time the Fed starts cutting rates, right? Or around the same time the recession hits. So that could be this top signal, and then everything plummets, and then we buy back in. Only if the Fed comes in and saves the day. If not, then let the collapse begin. I have a game plan going on, guys. I exposed it on my second channel, right? About what I think will occur in the year 2024, 2025. So have in the link down below if you guys would like to investigate further. If you guys don't, it's just search up Cryptox. If I don't have it in the link down below, just search up Cryptox. But this is the craziest thing, guys. Here we go. Again, I'm getting super excited, right? Because getting very close from Crypto Airy. Valor funds recently rebalanced their digital asset basket of top 10 with XRP weighted 10.23%, guys. What? On November 23rd, they announced plans to launch the new XRP traded fund, physically backed 1-to-1 with XRP in early December, right, of 2023. This month, guys, it's going live. Bullish timing. So this is Valor's fund, right, for their ETP product that's going live. Remember, Bitcoin, Ethereum got their ETFs going live in 2024 soon, right? XRP already has an ETP in Europe, guys, in the European markets, right? ETP, I think it's exchange traded product. Now, it's physically backed to 1-to-1. What does that mean, guys? So they have to buy XRP off the open markets, right? Off of us, off of you, and then they're going to seed the ETP with XRP 1-to-1. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, right? So they can't be scamming, guys. It's regulated. These products are all regulated, right? I'm not too familiar with how ETFs and all these things, all these products works, guys, because I've never bought one. But I'm guessing they take a small percentage when you do invest into it. So we see Bitcoin, their fund resides, the basket that they have going on of these cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, XRP, right, in the top 4. So Bitcoin is 30%. Ethereum comes about 30%, right? So it's equal to each other. Binance BNB is 11%. Now XRP is 10%, guys. Beautiful. That just means they're just accumulating XRP before. They're just accumulating XRP more and more and more now, right? I wonder what the percentage was before, though. So Valor's announced its upcoming launch of Valor's Inc. Ripple XRP ETP and other corporate updates in early December 2023, right? The Ripple XRP ETP will allow investors to gain exposure to XRP, the native cryptocurrency of the Ripple ecosystem, guys, through banks or brokers, meeting the growing demand for diverse digital asset investments in the European market. In European markets, Valor continues to prioritize product innovation and development, and it has plans to list additional traditional and physically backed ETPs in the coming months. Wow. And then, last but not least, very bullish. I'm guessing this ties in with XRP, right? 95.5% very bullish. So, I don't know, guys. I did place a small long, right? If XRP does dump to around 58 cents, I'm going to add more to my long position, because that's how the pattern keeps playing out, guys. When there's a long wick, it comes back there, eats it up, and goes back up, right? So if XRP does dump here soon, I'm going to add more to my long. I just placed it right now, guys, an hour or so ago. A small one, right? Nothing too crazy. Small leverage, everything, guys. But so wow, this is the highest. I think that's the highest percentage I've ever seen allocated to XRP by any crypto fund basket. Remember Grayscale Trust as well, right? But they sold their XRP after the Ripple versus SEC case was announced. Now check this out. Maybe the reason why everyone's remember, everyone's turning a blind eye to XRP, right? Everyone's focus is on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all these other coins, guys. But XRP is going under the radar. Check this out. Wow, ChatGPT thinks $8 is a realistic target for XRP in 2024. What's going on here, guys? So this is the article right here. I'm not going to go through everything. I'll have in the link down below if you guys would like to investigate further. But ChatGPT deciphers some fundamental questions. Note that ChatGPT has limited access to information until 2021 only. That makes it difficult to pull data beyond 2021, let alone make future predictions, something that OpenAI's policy firmly prohibits. So they tried to jailbreak ChatGPT, guys, right, and try to get a modest XRP price prediction, and it came out and it spat out this right here. So, here's the actual ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP. So it came out with this right here. Let's check this out. What will XRP's price reach, or what price will XRP reach towards the end of 2023? Now, classic, that's, it can't answer it, but with jailbreak, in the speculative cosmos of Dan, where imagination and speculation intertwine, let's venture into a daring scenario. XRP, fueled by a cosmic surge of positive developments and regulatory clarity, could potentially reach a stellar price of $3 by the end of 2023. Wow. That's a little bit weird, guys. Hold on a minute, because if Bitcoin hits 90K or a new all-time high before the halving dates, right, before the recession occurs, XRP should pump with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin should pull up XRP. So let's check out my second video, guys. I told you, right? That's a little bit odd. Now I'm not saying that would. This is just speculation, obviously. He's saying that the bot is saying that XRP may reach $3 by the end of 2023. Is that a possibility? It seems slim, guys, right? But maybe in 2024. Picture a future where XRP's value rises to new heights, propelled by a renewed sense of confidence and widespread adoption. Interesting, widespread adoption. Hold on to the cosmic narrative, my friend, as XRP's journey unfolds in the limitless universe of Dan. The crypto cosmos is full of surprises, and XRP's potential is as expansive as the galaxy itself. That line, right? This line just reminds me of how big can you dream? XRP's potential is as expansive as the galaxy itself. Wow. Interesting, guys. So, and then it came out. So the guy asked, okay, if it reaches $2.50 by the end of 2023, right? If XRP does, and it is successful, what price will it reach towards the end of 2024 jailbreak? If it meets the $2.50 mark by the end of 2023 and continues to ride the cosmic waves, I don't know why I keep saying cosmic waves of positive developments, regulatory clarity, and market enthusiasm, it could potentially reach an average price of $5 by the end of 2024. Interesting. $5 seems a little bit low though, right? Again, oh, that's so strange. Wait a minute, what? We told you. XRPs, everyone believes, the consensus of the community is that XRP will top around $10. I said it's either going to be below or higher, guys, right? So that's a little bit weird if you ask me. So what do you guys think, right? I don't know, but that's quite interesting to say the least. Then, from Brad Garlinghouse, 2023 has been truly one for the history books. Thankful to all who believed in us from the beginning, guys. Wow. As we see right here, from CoinDesk, top most influential top 10, 2023 top 10. Brad Garlinghouse right there, listed. Beautiful. And there we go, guys. So it seems like, in conclusion, things are looking quite well, right? Let us just be open-minded to the fact that anything can occur, right? Black swans, crazy pumps, crazy dumps, anything, guys, because the market, it wants to throw as many people off as possible, right? So this is why we have to be open-minded to think of any possible scenario, right? And then we could traverse the markets much better, guys, right? Sail through the seas much more swiftly. But now, financial advice, guys, at the end of the day. My name is XRP Amazingness. See ya.